Let's look at simplifying pips. So here you have the number 152784. The 152 is the base, the 78 is the pip, and the 4 is the pipette. So right here we are calculating pips. This is a great example. So let's just say we had to pair USD CAD. That's the United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar. So if price was at 1.364 and we subtracted 1.3604, you would have 20 pips. How is that so? Because you would take this 24 and subtract the 4 and get 20, because 24 subtract 4 is 20. The base currency is the number before the decimal and the 2 after the decimal. So the 1.52 is the base. The base currency is the currency that is being traded. Every time the market moves a pip, we either make or lose money. The pipette, which is the number 4 here, is the fraction of the currency that is moving the fraction of the pip. To calculate pips, you must subtract the pips inside of the numbers.